Action 10 Chief Meteorologist Sharon Ray with your Doppler 10 weather forecast.
Well, good afternoon. Much quieter weather here in South Texas than what we saw in the other parts of the country. Well, we actually had a little bit of a cool down today. Temperatures staying in the 80s. We had more cloud cover and even a couple of small showers. Take a look. We're sitting at 83 at Robstown and Corpus Christi right now, and only 85 Rockport to 88 at 83 degrees right now at Alice, and still have quite a few clouds around. Again, we have a stationary front. It was a weak cold front coming down from the north, and then it stalled out. All we got out of it, like I mentioned, were a couple of stray showers, and that's about it. Now what we're going to watch is this front moving back to the north, and as it does, the wind's going to pick up. It's going to get hotter tomorrow, and we'll still be in that very humid air as we go into the next couple of days. Look at how quiet it is tomorrow too. I don't think we're going to see any rain tomorrow, but it is going to be windy. And it is going to be very warm and humid. And into Wednesday, maybe just a stray shower. Most of the action as we get into late Wednesday and early Thursday is going to stay to our west as another front comes in and stalls out. And so we're not going to get in on much of that rain. I did keep the chance of a few showers and thunderstorms in for Thursday, as some of these may make it into our inland areas. But overall, it's going to be pretty dry here until late this week. Probably Friday we'll get a few showers with the front, the next front coming in. All right, so what about the next couple of days? Well, we're back to summer. Temperatures in the upper 70s tonight. This is tomorrow at 6 in the morning, 78 in Corpus Christi, 75 Orange Grove. A very muggy start to the day. Tomorrow, temperatures climbing. It's going to be warmer than it was today, reaching into the lower 90s. 91 Corpus Christi at 3 in the afternoon, Alice 94, Mathis 92, and 87 at Port Aransas. Now tomorrow night we're still very warm in the 70s and very breezy too. And then as we get into Wednesday, you can see that heat does continue. So the next few days, hot, humid, and windy weather. Unfortunately, we're dealing with those triple-digit heat indices again, and that'll be the case tomorrow, as it'll feel like 101 up to 108. So we'll have to take it easy the next few days before that cooler air finally arrives late this week. A lot of wind. The winds came down a little bit today, but they pick right back up. And I think tomorrow we could see the gusts as high as 35, and then Wednesday rather gusty as well. Winds start to decrease, and then they shift to the northeast Friday night behind our cold front, and then they'll pick up for Saturday. Okay, so we have the first decent front of the season coming at us. In fact, it is going to produce snow in the Rockies, and look at that colder air. You can see it up here building. Watch as I put the temperature trend here into motion as that colder air gradually works its way east across the northern states. Finally, by the time we get into Friday, a little low pressure is going to form. An upper wave is going to kick this thing through, and we'll get that front moving through, and that'll cool us down for the weekend. Nights, 50s, lower 60s. You're going to like it, I think. Many of you out there have been waiting for that as we get into the weekend. The rain, though, is a little more uncertain. I don't think we're going to see as much as originally thought, but here's Thursday morning, that first band of rain fizzling out, maybe a few showers Thursday, and then as the front comes in Friday late in the day, it looks like we may pick up some scattered showers and storms. Doesn't last long. Notice the drier air coming in behind that by Saturday. Take a look at your 7-day forecast then. Okay, a lot of that 90, 91 degree, a lot of that heat and humidity all the way through Friday. Nights in the 70s, but look at that change this weekend. Feeling like fall. Highs in the upper 70s to near 80 this weekend. Still a bit windy though Saturday. And look at Saturday night, Corpus Christi, 57 degrees for the low. I think many of you might like that. Paul, what about you?